Hello everybody, good afternoon and welcome back. Thank you for joining me for yet another video. All right, let's get started. This is the third last painting. We've got a turquoise blue base. Okay, I've done turquoise green already. So now I'm doing turquoise blue by Amsterdam. That is my base color. I've already painted my edges. This is a 12 by 16 inch canvas. And so here is the blue base. Super pretty, isn't it? Really nice, pretty color. So there's the base. Pinterest colors. This one's gonna be interesting. So here are my colors. And this is what I came up with. Iridescent Silver by Pebeo. Then I have Pearl Electric Blue by Arteza. Then Quinacridone Crimson by Holbein. And then topping it off, I've got Pearl Pink by Arteza. So these are my colors. And keeping in mind, the Holbein, don't put too much because you just don't know. And you know what? Now that I think about it, it really reminds me of a painting I kind of already did. See, I'm doing these all back to back, and I'll show you. Look at this. Kind of the same colors. Yeah, although the blue's different. I did use the Quinacridone. I did not use Pearl Pink. So I think this one had a light 2 shades of blue and the Quinacridone and maybe silver. No, it had pearl. I believe it had pearl. So the difference with this one is this one has silver and this one's gonna have pink. So, and the base is different. Definitely a different color base, but kind of reminded me of that piece. This piece actually. So, okay. If I remember, I will show you guys my table at the end of this video where I have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 paintings. 16 paintings are dry and ready on my table there. So that is crazy, 16 paintings. All right. I'm going to flood my canvas and I'll be right back. Everybody, I'm ready to go. So I was thinking about the composition as I was getting my painting ready here, and I figured since this one kind of matches the other one, not well, you know what I mean, I'm gonna do the same composition as the other one, which I believe was half moons, so, or something like that. So that's what I'm gonna do, and let's see how it pans out on this one. Which way do I want to curve? I'll curve this way. Curve that way. And let's curve this way. Ooh, it's so pretty against the turquoise blue. Look at that. I like it. Okay, I'm done. No, I'm just kidding. I'm not done. All right. So this is my fourth painting in a row. I've been working for hours here today, doing one video after the next so that you guys have something to watch on YouTube while I'm packing away and moving. So I'm a little tired right now. I'm not gonna lie, I am a little tired. Been on my feet for about 2.5 hours now. Yep. All right, but you know what though? I'm really loving this series and I'm really loving the results of these videos, of these paintings, I mean, because it's really interesting to see all these different color palettes. And I had a thought the other day where I thought, you know what, all these base colors are really pretty and everything, but then I thought, maybe when I'm back at it in my new studio and my new home, I'll do like color split series with like different color splits. Now that might be very interesting. So yeah, let me know in the comments below. Look at that. What is going on there? He's going rogue. All right, so let's see. This looks really pretty. I'm really worried about the crimson though. Let's see what happens. Let's see. Is Pinterest going to be wrong on this one? Let's see. Who saw me get frustrated while blowing this out? Who did? I got really frustrated with it, and I'm so not happy with myself right now because I just went through that so quickly, and I don't like this. I really like, maybe I should just stop painting for the day and just come back another day because yeah, I'm really liking the colors. I didn't blow it out properly. I just winged right through it, and I'm really disappointed in myself right now. So I am going to try and fix the composition the best I can. I do not have enough paint to do anything else right now, so I'm going to try and fix what I've got, because this looks pretty here, and this kind of looks pretty, even though the turquoise just came out and like it's, ugh. I'm gonna stop talking and try and fix what I messed up. So be right back. All right, so I'm okay with this. I'm okay with this. I'm okay with this. And I'm not okay with this. But I can't really do anything about it because there's not enough paint in here for me to even blow it anywhere. It is very minimal paint here. There is very minimal paint here. So I can't do anything with it. I cannot blow it any which way. So it's just gonna have to stay there like that. Because I like the colors. I'm mad at myself at how I blew this out. I rushed through it. I did. I really rushed through it, and I don't know why I did that. So I mucked it up, but I'm gonna leave it. I can't scrape it because I don't have enough to do it again. So I'm gonna leave it as is, and I'm hoping that there will be somebody out there who will like it and will want to purchase it. So I'm going to touch up my edges, and I'm gonna bring you guys in for a close-up. So be right back. All right, everybody. So I've gone ahead, already scraped my drips. Let me bring you guys in for a close-up. As I said, I like it down here, and then here I'm very disappointed in this part here. Maybe I'm just being too hard on myself. I'm really happy with this. Then we move up here, and I really like that. And, you know, that's okay. And then over here is okay as well. But yeah, I'm just not thrilled with the blowout on this. The colors I'm okay with. I'm just not thrilled with the blowout. So, I don't even want to turn the lights off and do, I'm a little bummed about this piece, so I think I'm going to just be done with it. I'm not going to do the, there's going to be shimmer in it, so I'll show you guys the dried results when it does dry in a future video, but I think I'm just going to cut my losses on this one, and I'm going to ask you guys to let me know what you guys think about this one in the comments below. And tell me what you think. Am I being too hard on myself? Do you agree with me? And don't worry, I will not get offended if you agree with me and you tell me you don't like it, because it's totally fine, really. But yeah, so just let me know what you guys think about this in the comments below, and I will see you guys in the next video. So until then, thank you so much for watching. Have a good day, have a good night, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.